Did you know? Under COVID-19 pandemic, many health insurance companies has allowed its policyholder to submit their medical expenses, bills and reports online and they will reimburse it to you. My brothers and sisters, I am Kamal Babbar, your well-wisher and financial solution enthusiast. I am feeling extremely grateful communicating with you with the intent to give back to my society and add value to people's lives. Today, I would like to talk about 10 important facts about health insurance and its claim. Let's start. Let's explore. Point number one, always declare your past medical history, be it small or big, if any, because any kind of concealment of the fact may lead to cancellation of the policy, may lead to rejection of the claim. Point number two, denial of cashless claim is not denial of the claim. So later you can submit your medical claim file under reimbursement. Point number three, room limit. Always cross verify at the time of hospitalization your room eligibility. Please do check you're not exceeding the room rent cap. Point number four, oral hospitalization, oral treatment, oral medicine treatment. If you're hospitalized just for a oral treatment, oral medicine treatment, or for observation purpose only, your claim may be subjective. Insurance company may question the justification of the hospitalization from the hospital. Point number five, during the hospitalization, try to ask hospital about the bill on a daily basis so that at the time of discharge you may avoid exaggerated medical cost, medical bills. Point number six, this is very common. Many people ask me that at the time when they submit their original bills, they charge summaries, and there are some reports also like X-ray reports, films, and MRI reports. So they always have a query that can they have it back. So after the claim is settled, you can request the health insurance company to return it to you, and they will return it to you. Point number seven, always try to submit your medical bills for reimbursement within 15 days from the date of discharge, because any delay in doing so, company may ask about the justification in writing from you. But remember, delay submission of the claim will, the company cannot deny your claim. Point number 8, proportionate deduction is not applicable on medicine and tests. Point number 9, if at the time of buying insurance policy, online or offline, always mention your habit of smoking or drinking if you do so. And always, if you do so, mention the quantity too. And point number 10, if you're not satisfied with the decision of the insurance company on your claim, then you can reach out to insurance company's redressal officer. Still you are unable, if you are unable to get the proper resolution about your query, about your claim, then you can reach out, you can escalate the matter to the insurance ombudsman. I believe and hope you find it useful. If you have any query related to health insurance, I'll be more than happy to help you out, because my mission is to help people achieve their goal of financial security with my professional expertise and holistic approach. Please do take a good care of yourself. Namaskar.